If you want to simplify the iPhone or iPad experience for someone who needs extra support, here's how to set up Assistive Access. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll to bottom and tap on Assistive Access. Then tap on Set up Assistive Access, then tap Continue. Now, choose between Grid View or Row View depending on what's easier to navigate. After that, select the apps you want to make available in Assistive Access like phone, messages, or camera. You can also decide how each app works. For example, show just one contact in messages or limit who can be called. Then tap on Continue. After that, you will be asked to create an Assistive Access passcode. This helps prevent accidental exits or changes. Once everything is ready, tap Start Assistive Access and your iPhone or iPad will switch into a simplified mode. And that's all. Assistive Access makes iPhone and iPad more focused and user-friendly, perfect for those who need a simplified experience. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.